Australia and New Zealand's critical infrastructure might be built and maintained by Downer, but Downer is built by people. People like you. People who own what they do and help make a difference to our communities, keeping them moving, working and thriving. And to achieve our goals and make that difference, we all need to be thriving. That's why our culture is important to us. That's why the role each one of us plays is crucial. But what is it that makes us different?
We own the outcomes.
For every job we do,
we deliver consistent results.
We do it for our customers.
And we know what matters to them.
We stand for each other.
That means no matter what, I respect you, I have your back.
And I'll make sure my team stays safe.
And what's the Downer difference? It's you.
Own it, do it, make the difference.